Happy blissful day to you. And in today's meditation, I'm going to guide you to shift into the version of you who already won the lottery jackpot. Now, it's very important to understand that there are infinite, unlimited versions of you existing right now. There's a fat you, a thin you, a rich you, a poor you, a millionaire you, a billionaire you, a married you, a single you existing right now. All you need to do is just choose your desired version, accept that you have it, and then remain faithful to this version without wavering or contradicting yourself. When you've chosen this new version, it's very important to understand you have to remain faithful to it. As Neville Goddard says, when you remain faithful to it, it will harden into fact. Okay, so I want you to close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Okay, deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Just one last deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Okay, so I just want you to imagine, just imagine that it was last week. So this is last week, Saturday. It's last week, Saturday, and you woke up and you feel so amazing. There's just something about this morning. You wake up so happy, so joyful, and it almost feels like Christmas. And you receive a message on your phone, whether that's an SMS or an email, and the message states that you won the lottery jackpot. And I want you to read it, and when you read this message, make sure you do this through first person point of view. So you're looking through your eyes and you see, congratulations, you won the lottery jackpot. Whether that's on your phone, on your PC, I just want you to read this message. And as you're reading this message, notice what is happening in your body. Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling relieved? Are you joyful? Are you grateful? Are you feeling a little giddy? How are you feeling knowing that you've now won the lottery jackpot? Now I want you to experience this feeling and know that this is now a done deal. You are now a lottery jackpot winner. And now I want you to call someone close to you, whether it's a friend or family, and I want you to share the good news with them. And tell them that, hey, guess what? I freaking won the lottery jackpot. And I just want you to hear them being so excited for you, so excited. And say, wow, congratulations. I always knew that you were so lucky. Congratulations, I always knew you were so lucky. And now I want you to just notice how you feel as this friend or family member is so happy for you. How do you feel? Okay, now you can open your eyes. Okay, I want you to comment below and let me know how you feel knowing that you are a lottery jackpot winner. How do you feel? Comment below and let me know. And I am the first to congratulate you that you are now a lottery jackpot winner. Remember, you have now shifted into this new state. It is done. You now just have to remain faithful and remind yourself that this is your new norm. So if you're interested in more meditations, click in the link in the description. And for one-on-one coaching, click in the link in the description. Having said that, keep smiling and congratulations, lottery jackpot winner.